Next, we will talk about the thematic map. What is the thematic map? This kind of maps are giving us usually the theme, different theme. Which theme? Is it that theme which one you are using in your mobile? No, not like that. This theme is little bit different, just like the population. Population, the vegetations, the rainfall, sometimes the how many number of patients are there. So this kind of actually you can also say that these are giving the statistical data. These are the numbers or the amount. With the help of this kind of graph, that means this kind of map, we are able to understand about them. Now see here, this one is one kind of thematic map, and here the mean rainfall is given. Mean rainfall means the average mean rainfall. How many, not like that in a particular day how many rainfall causes, not that one. This is the average of all the rainfalls. That one is called the mean rainfall. See here, they has given one box. The mean rainfalls in centimeters they has given. So the first one, see here, this color is representing what it representing? The rainfall above 375 centimeters rainfall. Yes, very much, very high. The amount of rainfall is very huge. Next one, this color will represent the 300 to 375 rainfall. These regions, in which regions this kind of rainfall happens, those regions should be colored with this. Next one, this color is representing the 225 to 300 centimeters rainfall. Next one, this color is representing 175 to 225 centimeters rainfall. Next, this color, that means the green color, that one is representing. So this one is representing 125 to 175 centimeters, and the green color, that one is indicating 75 to 125 centimeter rainfall. And see here, this one is being indicated with 25 to 75. That means the amount of rainfall is decreasing. And see here, this one is the 0 to 25. That means almost dry area. So this area should be indicated with the help of this color. And see here, the orange color arrow. With the help of arrow, the direction of wind should be indicated. So all of you are able to see here. This one is the Arabian Sea. This one is Bay of Bengal. This one Indian Ocean. This one is, what is this one? The Sri Lanka. So these are the different oceans, or here one neighbor country is there. So whatever may be. So here if you will see in the water, oceans, so lots of arrows are there. That means in this region the direction of wind is towards this. What is the direction? So all of you are able to understand here, these lines, they are indicating what? The direction of the wind. So what is the direction of the blowing of the wind? That one is from southwest to which direction? To northeast direction. Is it? So in this way the airs are blowing or the wind are blowing. So here in this portion directly the winds are blowing from the west region to the east. See here in these portions the winds are blowing from the east to the west. So in this way in different places the direction of the winds are different. Now if you will see that the 0 to 25 region, rainfalls region, see this portion and this portion, these two are the very low rainfall region. And if you will see that this color here maximum rainfall happens in our country. That's why this one is being indicated with this color. And what is the amount of this color? It should be above 375 centimeter. Yes, and one more region is there in the western coastal region. Is it? So in this way you can understand about the different rainfall. So thematic map, it will give you about any particular topic. It may be the temperature, mean temperature of a certain region, or it may be the rainfall. It may give you the literature percentage also. It may give you the different kind of population born, or you can also census also is, it may given that in the current census that means the density of the population. It may based on different theme also. So in this way it is helping us. Next I want to tell you about the scale of map. What is the scale of map? One thing, while you are staying, definitely this one, first thing, this one is the whole India. Does India that much small? What do you think? Is it? No, it is not that much small. It is the small picture of the India. Practically, India is huge amount of area. It has huge amount of area. So, how did they put it here? How is it possible? They actually, suppose, let me give one example. Suppose 1000 kilometers are there or 100 kilometers are there. That one they indicated here or they represented here with 1 centimeter. So 100 kilometer is equivalent to 1 kilometer. In this way, all the distances from each other they maintained. In this way, it is able to draw the one map, and in each and every map this kind of scaling they are doing. Otherwise it is not possible to draw them. Otherwise on that time what will happen? You won't understand. If you measure even what is the distance between two states here, that one will be varied, that one will be changed. So that one should not a good thing. So on that time we won't understand. So that is the main thing. We have to scale it into proper way. Otherwise it is not possible to understand. So this is one thing. Scale gives, what the scale gives us, actually scale gives us the idea how much distance it really measures on the surface of the earth. So here I have told you that the 1 centimeter. So in 1 centimeter you can understand practically it is how much kilometer? 100 kilometer. It is equivalent to the 100 kilometer. So it is giving you the idea to understand about the practical distance. Next one we will discuss about that one more thing. Sometimes in this way, that means 1 centimeter. How it is written? 1 centimeter, one column they are putting, afterwards 1000 or 100 kilometer, whatever is the practical distance they are putting. They used to put like this. Next one, uses of maps. In which purpose we use the map in our daily life? Now we will discuss about that things. So to calculate the approximate distance between two cities, if you will see two cities in the map, then you should have one idea what may be the distance, approximate distance, not the exact distance, it is not possible, but the approximate distance it is possible to understand. And to find out the best route to travel to a place, yes, already I have told you, whenever you want to go from one place to another place, if you will see the route map on that time, you can go there very easily. The best route, which one will give you the less, which one will reach you with the very less amount of time. So that one is possible. And next thing, to find out names of countries, capitals, roads, towns and other places. Yes, with the help of the map only it is possible to where is the San Francisco, where is the Japan, where is the China, where is the USA, where is the UK. This all the thing you are able to understand with the help of seeing the map. It is possible. In the practically, it is not possible that to visit all of the country throughout the world. It is not possible. But what is the way to without going there to know about them? So that one is the map. Next one, to find out location of rivers, mountains and other features. Yes, that one is also possible. Now only I have shown you that the Kaveri river. Do you ever went there? I don't think so. I never went, but I know the each and every location of the rivers. You also should have to know that where the all rivers are located, where all places are located, where the country, that means in our country different states are there, where their capitals are located. You have to know. This one is helping. If you will see them visually on that time, what happens? It is helpful to remind easily, to memorize easily. It is very helpful. Next thing, to find out about the location of water resources and the threatened resources. Sometimes it happens that whenever you are going from one place to another place, that in the road, during the road, one forest is there, and this forest different lines are there, maybe different the tigers are there. So definitely on that time you should not adapt that road. You have to skip that road. So anyhow, so how it is possible? After seeing the physical map, you are able to understand. So you should avoid the road. And sometimes anywhere the water reservoirs are there, any kind of seas are there, these all are possible with the help of map. That one. To find, and one more thing is there, with the help of map you can understand the different landforms type and the forest cover also. So landforms type means where the hilly region, which portion is the hilly region, which portion are the coastal region, which portion is the plain. So these all are able to understand with the help of map only. So these are the different uses of map, very important. Now we will discuss about the directions. Already I have told you that any one of the map, that one should be the upper one. See here, this one, this kind of 4 arrows should be there. This 4 arrows should be there, and this the upper one, the top of the, and that one should be N. On that time, if that one is N, definitely that one should be south. And you are able to understand, your right hand should be the east and the left hand should be the west. Is it? So in this way you can understand. Now one more thing is there. Which one is the northeast? This one. See here, this one is the northeast, because this one, this position is, this direction is between north and east. See here, this position, this direction is the southeast. This one is the southwest. And this position is the northwest. Like this, different directions there assuming. Otherwise, it is not possible. So, always whenever you will study one map, you have to follow this diagram. This one is very helpful. And all of the maps, they using this kind of convention. That one is the standard convention. Next, the colors. So, already I have told you that which colors are using for the location of which things. So let's summarize it again. The different cartographers utilize color on a map to represent certain features. So who are the cartographers? Cartographers means who are producing or representing the maps. They are called the cartographers. They used different colors in the map to represent the different features. It may be rainfall, it may be the water reservoir. They are using the particular color, that means all over the country, all over the world, they use same color. They used to draw with the help of same color only. So which kind of color they used? So the mountains, they are representing mountains with the help of brown color. With the help of blue color, they represent the rivers, different rivers, and that one should be consistent across the different types of map. So this one is very important, otherwise which color it will use, and the another country, if they will use the different color, on that time they will be confused, and if you will see their map also, you will be confused. So that's why always try to put the one single color. Which one you are using to indicate the mountain? That one is brown. Next one, the blue is used for the river. And our expectation, sometimes because of that reason, sometimes we are facing some problems also. So for that case, sometimes we are facing some problems also. So which kind of problem we face actually? I have already told you that the hilly region, the mountains, they should be represented with the help of the brown color, and one more thing, the green region. What the green regions are saying? The plain, the field, the green field, they are the fertile region. The fertile region, these are the green. But one more thing, the elevation. Elevation means the distance from the sea, the height of the. So that one is also being represented with the help of blue, that means green color. So and dark green. So sometimes it happens that few people, they are understanding, they are considering, oh, this one is green, so definitely that one is the vegetation area or any fertile area like this. So sometimes this kind of misconception or misunderstanding is also taking place. And one more thing is there, the mountains, that one should be represented by the browns or red. Hilly regions, they are by red, and the mountains, they are by browns. So in this way, whenever in the maps they use this kind of colors, on that time what is going on there? The another things are there, just like the Barren, the Grand Canyon. So they are also being represented by this kind of. So they are considering, okay, these may be the Barren Grand Canyons, but no, on that time this kind of misconception is also taking place. And one more thing, sometimes I have told you that the water, any kind of water, it may be water reservoir, it may be ocean, it may be river, whatever may be, the water should be represented with the help of which color? The blue color. And sometimes it may not be blue color originally, because of the pollution, its color, original color may differ from its blue color. On that time, that one we should not use. So these kind of different problems we are facing here. Now see here, this one is another map. So with the help of this map, they has given different things. See here, the beach. Beach is representing with the help of this kind of symbol. And if you will see the Visakhapatnam, that one is also being represented with the same color. That means same symbol. If you will see the historical and archaeological centers, this one is Warangal, that one is also. So this kind of different symbols are representing different things, just like the hang gliding, just like sky, and the religious center, the major tourist center, different centers, different places, they are representing here with the different kind of symbols. And now I will talk about the road maps and other general use of maps are often a jumble of color. Yes, it happens. Sometimes it happens that they used so many colors. Sometimes it is also one kind of problem. Now with the help of blue color, which things they are usually indicating the different lakes, rivers, streams, oceans, the reservoirs, the highways also sometimes they are indicating. The local borders are also indicating, and with the help of red color, what things they are indicating? The major highways, the roads, the urban areas, the airports, and the different places named, that means palace names are also there, the buildings there, the borders, all the things are being represented by red, yellow color. If any area is that built up, that under construction, that one is being represented with the yellow color, and the urban areas also are being represented with the yellow color. Next, the green color. With the help of green color, already I have told you, with the help of green, which things they are indicating? The different parts. Already I have told you that one is the symbol of greenery. So the park, the golf courses, the reservations, the forest, the orchids, the highways. So different things are being represented with the help of green color. And brown, with the help of brown color, the deserts, the historical sites, the national parks, the military reservations or bases, contour, the elevation lines, these all are being represented. And with the help of black, what the things? The roads, the railroads, that means the rail lines, the highways, the bridges, the place names, and the different buildings also, and borders, these all are being represented. Purple, with the help of purple, different highways are being represented. So you got this one, that sometimes they are using different kind of colors, but on that time you have to see the chart like this, with the help of which index box, with the help of which symbol or which color they used for which purpose. On that time you will be understand, otherwise it is difficult to understand. Next thing, symbols on a map. Different symbols, have a look here, different symbols they used here in a map. If you will see this kind of symbol, that one is the symbol of the desert or the wasteland. Next, that one is this kind of symbol is for the grassland, that means where grasses are there. Next, this kind of symbol is given using for the swamp, that means uncultivated ground. Next, this kind of symbols are used for the hills. This one is used for the mountains. You know that with respect to hills, the mountains are bigger in size. See here, they are also prominent in size. Next, this one is being represented by the cave. For the case of cave, this one is being represented. Next one, the political border. Political border is being represented with the help of this kind of symbol. Next, different road. That one is represented with the help of this symbol. Next, for the river, this kind of symbol. The town, village, one small dot. Any town or any village, that one is with small dot. Any cities, cities are big. So that's why with the help of big circle. Now the tower or any kind of forest. This one is represented with the help of this kind of tower sign. The castle, any kind of castle, that one is being represented by this kind of sign. Next, the country capital. Country capital, that one is also being represented just like a castle but without any shade of color. But windmill, see here the windmill is being represented with the help of this kind of symbol. Next one, different forests are represented by this kind of symbol. Next, the lake, if there is any lake, that should be represent this kind of symbol. Next, the reef. What are the reef? A ridge of jagged road. That means it may be any kind of coral or any kind of animals, dead body related land should be there. So that one should be represented with the help of this kind of symbol. And this one is the symbol of canyon. If any canyon is there, that one is the symbol of the canyon. So these are the symbol on a map, different kind of symbol we learn. So now you can understand. You can tell me whether the maps are friend of us, is it or not? I think yes, they are friend of us. That's why I told you in the beginning of the lesson that after getting the lesson, after reading the lesson, you also will be agree with